Hey guys, this is Dr. Lopez, once again coming from Pacific Healthcare, ready to talk to you about one of our more advanced stem cell programs called the Placental Implant. So imagine this. Whenever there's a pregnant woman, she will usually take medicine. Some of them even smoke, drink, or take medication. All this goes into her bloodstream and eventually makes its way down to the fetus. Once it reaches the fetus, something very special happens. The placental tissue around the fetus will immediately activate, and whenever it senses a spike in blood sugar or blood pressure, it will start activating the fetus's metabolism in order to cut down the blood sugar back to its normal level or bring down the blood pressure. This system is also in charge of regulating things like hormone imbalances, any kind of inflammation, or autoimmune conditions. So once the baby's born, usually the placenta is discarded immediately. But turns out that the placenta still has a lot of active stem cells still within it. And what we do here is we take some of that placental tissue, we process the placental tissue, we make sure it's absolutely sterile. And what we can do with it is we can actually place it back into grown adults where their umbilical cord used to be. Once it's implanted, it will start acting as if it was the placenta and will treat the adult as if it was the fetus. What this means is that if there's any adults with any high sugar levels, high blood pressure levels, any hormone imbalances, or any autoimmune conditions, these will automatically start regulating because of the action of these stem cells. So this is one of the greatest things that we've been able to accomplish here in Pacific Healthcare, where we can actually treat patients that have diabetes, patients that have been suffering from high blood pressure, or any person that is suffering from any autoimmune conditions. Usually the placement is only done in 20 minutes. Once the placement is done, the patient can go home. There's no aftercare needed at all. So our placental stem cell implant is one of our most accessible treatments here in Pacific Healthcare. A single implant only costs $500. Once it's placed, it starts acting from day one all the way for the following 4 months. After those 4 months, we run final blood work and we compare that blood work to the previous blood work. In that change, we will see the huge differences in both sugar levels, blood pressure levels. If there's any autoimmunity, we will see the autoimmune response correct completely. So this is great news because there's finally a solution out there for people that have been suffering with diabetes, which are looking for something that has nothing to do with insulin or any kind of medication. So if you're interested in asking more about our stem cell program, specifically regarding placental implants, you can contact us at www.pacifichealthcareplayas.com. There you can set up a free consultation where we can talk one-on-one to better get to know you. Thank you very much. Once again, I'm Dr. Alvaro Lopez, and it's a pleasure speaking with you.